2025 Ford F-150 Lightning. This pickup truck offers 2 full rows of seating for premium comfort. You'll enjoy first-class features that create a premium environment, such as cross-traffic alert, lane keeping assist, side view mirrors with turn signals, lane departure warning, Wi-Fi hotspot, satellite radio, navigation, premium sound system, multi-zone air conditioning, blind spot monitor, all-wheel drive, parking aid sensor, heated side view mirrors, panoramic roof, moonroof. Visit us today. Your dream car is waiting.